Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today, April the 29th of 2026, and the top crypto news is as follows. We will start today's episode and go to Japan, which is not telling us good things at all. Let's say that the central bank kept the base interest rate unchanged at 0.75%, which was expected. Nevertheless, the decision was not unanimous, as 3 members of the board of directors wanted to raise interest rates today. So the vote ended with 6 votes in favor of keeping rates steady and 3 against. Let's say that the Japanese yen rose, pushing the dollar-yen pair down by 0.5%, which is a very large decline for such currencies, while the Bitcoin-yen pair declined 0.6% at that moment. So if in the coming months we see interest rate increases, as you know from crypto news, very many people will sell their investments in order to pay off their debts from the free loans they were taking. Continuing, we'll go to the godfather of cryptocurrencies, who said that Bitcoin has not yet reached its bottom and a new all-time high is unlikely this year, as said Mr. Michael Turpin, one of the first Bitcoin investors, and the community calls him the godfather of cryptocurrencies. As he said, before we can characterize Bitcoin's price as being in an uptrend, we must exceed $100,000, and Bitcoin has shown no support anywhere close. And according to him, he believes the lowest point will be $57,000 sometime in October. And from the godfather of cryptocurrencies, we'll go to a billionaire and who understands Bitcoin from what it seems, and we'll go to Mr. Paul Tudor Jones, who stated in a podcast that Bitcoin stands out as the strongest hedge against inflation, citing its stable supply as a key advantage against traditional personal assets like gold. As he said, unlike gold, whose supply increases every year, Bitcoin has a strict limit on the number of cryptocurrencies that will come out, making it rarer than gold over time. And he is absolutely right. Moving now to AI news, we'll go to Microsoft, which says that artificial intelligence is pushing financial systems toward a model where machines execute transactions on a large scale, creating new challenges regarding control, oversight, and infrastructure, as Microsoft and Chainalysis said. And according to Microsoft's Vice President of Global Financial Services, he said that legacy systems will face increasing pressure as transaction requirements become more complex. And what is the solution to this? Blockchain. And as the chief executive of Chainalysis said, blockchain networks process large transaction volumes through smart contracts and software-based wallets, creating what he described as an environment similar to agent-based systems. As we have said in crypto news, AI and blockchain for value transfer are not very good together. Continuing about artificial intelligence, I want to tell you that even the CFTC in America will use AI, and specifically the regulatory authority, according to its chairman, is working on new technology to extend the capabilities of the reduced staff that the CFTC has with AI, including monitoring transaction data through artificial intelligence. So everyone is getting into AI, and as I already know from crypto news, and miners are getting into AI more and more. Like Core Scientific, which, as I said, is getting more into artificial intelligence and is pushing a 1.5 gigawatt data center. Let's say it wants to convert a facility it has in Pecos, Texas into a high-density artificial intelligence colocation hub, repurposing 300 megawatts, where all this electricity was going for Bitcoin mining. Now it will go for AI. And our last one for AI will go to Telegram, which also has its own tools, and specifically Ton Tech, the company that develops products for Telegram's blockchain. Town announced that it has launched agents with artificial intelligence that are able to autonomously execute basic on-chain transactions. Upon release, users can use a special wallet for an agent which can then execute on-chain actions such as transfers, exchanges, and DeFi activities, including automated transactions within specified budgets, staking, and basic portfolio management. Let's say I don't know when this product will come out, but soon, from what I understand. And finishing with AI and crypto, we'll go to our tokens, and we'll go to Layer 0, which commits 10,000 ETH to help DeFi United, resulting in DeFi United having raised over $300 million to cover the kelp hack. And what is their plan now? According to the consortium led by Aave, DeFi United, they published a technical plan to restore backing of the ETH token and eliminate the debt left by the hackers on Aave and Compound. The recovery strategy includes converting committed ETH to ETH in controlled doses and then liquidating the attackers' positions through custom oracle prices. The consortium aims to recover approximately 13,000 ETH from affected positions in Aave's Ethereum and Arbitrum markets, and 16,776 ETH from Compound. So this is what the plan says for now. And it's time to go to our beloved crypto market, with Bitcoin standing at $77,000. For now, it seems we're holding our support, and at the same time oil reached $101 with all the developments in Asia. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, the 29th of 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.